Hello everybody, welcome to Actinate Physics by your own video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Magnetism and Magnetic Effects of Current. Already you have seen a question in our previous video. This question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2019. Okay. At a point A on the surface of the Earth, the angle of dip delta is equal to plus 25 degrees. At a point B on the surface of the Earth, the angle of dip delta is equal to minus 25 degrees. We can interpret the 31 options. A and B, that is both the points, are located in the northern hemisphere. Option B, A is located in the southern hemisphere and B is in the northern hemisphere. Option C, reverse. A is located in the northern hemisphere and B is in the southern hemisphere. And option 4, both are located in the southern hemisphere. A and B are located in the southern hemisphere. What is the answer, sir? What is the angle of dip? Or you can also call this inclination. As far as terrestrial magnetism or geomagnetism is considered, we consider magnetic field, magnetic inclination, and magnetic declination, rather to say magnetic dip. Okay? So these are all the 4 important types. So the angle subtended by the Earth's magnetic field B with the horizontal direction of the magnetic meridian is called magnetic dip or magnetic inclination. In the northern hemisphere, delta is positive because the field lines point down. At Chennai, which is in the northern hemisphere, what does it mean by northern hemisphere, sir? As far as geographical globe, that is the Earth is concerned, you are having a line called equator. Okay, equator means பூமத்திய ரேகை அல்லது நடுவரை கோடு அப்படின்னு தமிழ்ல சொல்லுவோம். So equator. So the what is this, places which are on the north side, which lies north side of the equator are called northern hemisphere. The hemisphere means the half of the sphere, half of the globe, northern side globe. Okay, that's it. So the places which are in the south side of the equator are called southern hemisphere. Okay, that's it. So our Chennai is in the northern hemisphere. So the Chennai is in northern hemisphere. Its angle of dip is 14 degree 28 minutes. That's for an example. So any point which is on the northern hemisphere will have positive delta value. Similarly, any point which is in the negative angle of the negative value delta will be in the southern hemisphere. So in southern hemisphere, delta is negative because field lines point down. So in that sense, you can easily understand that option B, A is located in the northern hemisphere. Delta is plus 25 degrees. This is similar to Chennai 20 degrees. So B is located in the southern hemisphere because the Earth is southern hemisphere. Option B is the right answer for this question. We will see one more question from this chapter, same chapter, magnetism and magnetic effects, in the next video also. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.